Creating a welcoming classroom begins with intentionality. The way we greet our students, the tone we set, and the relationships we build all shape how students experience the learning environment. Often, it is the small moments of connection that determine whether students feel comfortable engaging, asking questions, and participating in the learning process. Welcoming classrooms begin when we take the time to recognize the people sitting in front of us, not just the students enrolled in the course. Be intentional with your greetings and your closings. Tell students you are glad to see them, and mean it. These small moments establish the emotional tone of the course. When students feel acknowledged as individuals rather than simply names on a roster, trust begins to grow. During the first few class meetings, introduce yourself and share your enthusiasm for your subject. When students see that you care about the material and their learning, that energy often spreads throughout the classroom. At the beginning of the class, consider taking a brief check-in with your students. You might invite students to pause and notice how they are arriving that day, or ask a short, reflective question. Even brief check-ins can help students regulate their attention and settle into the learning space. These moments can also give instructors insight into how students are experiencing the semester. Welcoming classrooms also require accessible course materials. Take time to review your documents, slides, and media to ensure that they are usable for all students. Are your documents screen reader friendly? Are your videos captioned? Accessibility is not simply about meeting requirements, it helps ensure that every student has the opportunity to fully engage with the course content. Reflection can also help instructors better understand students' experiences. For example, during the semester or approaching finals week, you might ask students reflective questions such as, which class feels most challenging for you right now? Which class do you feel most confident in? What surprised you the most this semester? What are you looking forward to next semester? You might also include lighter questions that help students connect as people. What is one small win you had this week? What are you grateful for today? What song has been on your mind lately? Even brief reflections like these can help students feel more comfortable sharing and participating. Be explicit about psychological safety in your classroom. Let students know that your classroom is a safe space where ideas can be explored respectfully and where questions are welcome. When students feel safe sharing perspectives or asking for clarification, they are more likely to engage deeply with the material. Students should never feel embarrassed or judged for contributing to the conversation. Welcoming classrooms are also built by listening. Take time to ask students what is helping them learn and what challenges they may be facing. Even brief conversations or short feedback prompts can provide insight into how students are experiencing the course. These insights help instructors make small adjustments that can improve the learning experience for everyone. Another important practice is recognizing student accomplishments. At the end of each week, consider highlighting small achievements and asking students what felt most meaningful or most challenging. These reflections provide insight into how students are experiencing the course while also reinforcing that growth and progress matter. Research from the Student Experience Project shows that when students help shape their learning environment, they are more likely to feel that they belong. Inviting students to co-create discussion norms, community agreements, or expectations for collaboration gives them a sense of ownership in the classroom. Welcoming classrooms are built through intentional choices. The way we greet our students, the relationships we cultivate, the opportunities we create for participation, and the ways we acknowledge student growth all shape how students experience learning. When we approach our classrooms with empathy and a commitment to seeing our students as people first, we begin to create environments where trust, engagement, and learning can flourish. Creating a welcoming classroom is an ongoing practice. It grows through the relationships we build, the care we show our students, and the intentional choices we make in our teaching. This video was created for Carolina 2026, a week-long celebration of empathy and care that encourages our campus community to reflect on how thoughtful teaching practices and course design can support student success and create learning environments where every student feels valued.